We made level 1 of Minion Dash. Now we're gonna make level 2. The more you make levels, the faster and easier it becomes. Here we have level 1 and then the original level 10 where I set up all the minions and the characters. So let's go to level 1, hit the remix button. This will be a little bit easier to edit. We're gonna use the area pick tool again. And I'm just gonna select a bunch of this stuff, delete it. Now I'm kind of noticing that for the first level, I went in and I selected a bunch of stuff, deleted it, and now I'm doing it again. It's good to notice when you're doing certain patterns of repetition and if there's a way to get rid of it, which I think there is. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit save, and we're just gonna call this one template and keep this as a draft. So when we need to make the rest of the levels, we can just copy and paste this template and I don't have to go in each time, select the entire course bit by bit and hit delete. We could have a blank canvas right here. So this is the template, we've saved it. Let's exit out. And this is one of the benefits of developing games and levels over and over is certain processes you will repeat. And when you repeat them, you'll find a faster way, a trick to do something that will make the development process even faster. So the more you make games, the more you play games, the faster you get at being able to create games. Let's go ahead, go to this template, and we're going to do what we did before. We're going to save this as level 2. So hit save, go up here, change the name from template to Minion Dash level 2. And I think in this game, I want more, just more hopping, lots of hopping. And let's get a 10 block, like a 3 block, jump gap, 5 block, 2 block. And I'm just having fun, messing around, not having any expectations and just trying to enjoy the process. Don't know if this is going to be difficult or not until we finish. All right, let's just play test, see what this feels like. Okay. Kind of easy. We got a little difficult there at the very end. Not that big of a deal. Minion characters looking great. It looks like those steps just require a little bit of finesse. You know, we can add a little boost there just to give them a speed boost. Next, let's add some candies. And I'm not being too strategic, just kind of placing these all over the place. And once we get to the start, we will play this out. Let's go. Okay, we got Mohawk Minion. Oh, okay, so it's a little tricky there with that boost. Nothing impossible. I like it. Pretty good for level 2. Let's go take a thumbnail, change this to a 2. We just tap the image on the top right, type in number 2, and we want Sedgwick. Change these colors accordingly. Zoom out by pinching. Where's that camera node? There it is. So now we hit play. We got the camera node to the top right. We can hit enable and thumbnail. And it looks like some of the minions are still attached to the parent. Oh, and I think it's these guys over here. Doesn't seem to be affecting the gameplay, which is great, but let's just go ahead and make sure. Select parent. Okay, so that is the parent. Select this dude, detach from parent. Is there any other minions over there? The more you move around using your fingers, the better you get at it. Okay, let's go ahead and save it. Call this level 2, looks good. Oh, and we want to post it. To post it, what, casual, family, competitive. You just hit the post button and that'll make it accessible for anybody to play this game. But now that we have 3 levels, we can make a playlist. So let's go ahead and do that. Right now it's level 1 to 10. Select these, hit edit, save, and we're gonna select unlisted, post update, and we'll do that 3 times over. It looked like level 1 was called temp 1, which we'll also need to change that. So now all 3 are unlisted and we have a crash. Hypehype is still in development. They're working to make the app better every single day. It looks like they're all currently unlisted. Let's make a playlist. Let's go to level 1. Level 1 is called temp level 1. I want to change that real quick. Something like that. Post update, hit unlisted, go to level 1, hit the 3 dots down here, and we're going to go add to playlist, create playlist, minion dash, let's call it minion dash, and we can call it popsicle time because there's a popsicle at the end of this level. And next we go add hypes, and here we go to unlisted, level 2, select the plus sign, and browse type free. If we wanted to, we could have in order. Now we hit post. Level 2 completed. Let's keep going.